As motorcyclists, we like to modify our bikes, and oftentimes we end up doing things that have a purpose, such as center stands or luggage. Other times we make modifications because it makes us feel good inside. We like the sound, and by sound I mean this Zard exhaust here. What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be doing an overview of the Zard Slip-On for the Tenere 700. It's no secret that the OEM Tenere 700 muffler isn't the prettiest thing out there. And while the Yamaha Crossplane 2 engine sounds absolutely fantastic, the OEM muffler restricts it and it is muffled, so you don't get that bark that the CP2 engine's known for. Now with the Zard, that completely changes everything. Not only does the engine sound like it has more bark, you lose 5 pounds off the OEM muffler, so it's a 5-pound weight reduction. You also gain 2.6 horsepower. And there's removable baffles as well. And if you're anything like us, you would have removed them the second you pulled it out of the box, which we already did. This Zard exhaust is absolutely gorgeous, and we have it here in the stainless colorway. But there's two other options available. There's titanium and black ceramic if you want the whole thing murdered out and want to go with that stealth look. All three versions are going to boast these carbon accents. They're satin, they're not quite full gloss, and they're not quite matte, and they look the part and they fit so well. Every Zard exhaust is handmade, so the attention to detail is unparalleled. It can't be beat. From the welds to the rivets to the way it mounts up, it's absolutely flawless. It's also incredibly easy to install and is going to come with everything you need to install the exhaust as well. Without further ado, I think I should stop talking and we should get into the good stuff. That's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness and never miss a beat. Ride safe.